Are you suffering from high blood pressure? Follow these 6 steps to get rid of it naturally. Number 1. Choose potassium-rich foods. Potassium in our blood helps in lowering blood pressure levels. By including more fruits and vegetables in your diet, like bananas, muskmelon, apricots, dark green vegetables, mushrooms, you will increase your potassium levels, which eventually helps to restore the delicate sodium-potassium balance in your blood. Number 2. Eat a diet low in sodium. Too much salt raises the amount of sodium in your blood that disturbs the sodium and potassium balance in your body. Salt intake needs to be monitored when managing blood pressure. This is not limited to salt added while cooking or consuming food. Remember, most packaged and processed foods such as chips, pickles, sauces, and bread also contain a high amount of salt. So, it's important to plan your diet accordingly and monitor salt intake. Number 3. Focus on fibrous foods. Studies show a fiber-rich diet aids in reducing high blood pressure. Fiber helps in balancing your systolic and diastolic pressure, i.e. your upper value and lower value in blood pressure readings. Some good fiber-rich foods to include in your diet are legumes, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. But regular exercising can make a difference. Exercising 30 minutes, 5 days a week will keep you healthy as well as manage your blood pressure naturally. The following are a few of the best exercises that will help controlling your blood pressure. 1. Running or a brisk walk. 2. Climbing stairs or hiking up hills. 3. Swimming laps. 4. Cycling on a bicycle. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Increase your water intake if you are hypertensive. Water helps in removing toxins from the body and also helps in restoring the sodium balance in the blood. Drinking 10 to 12 glasses of water a day will lower the numbers of your blood pressure the healthy way. 6. Deep breathing techniques. Deep breathing exercises are one of the easiest ways to lower blood pressure. While you inhale and exhale, your nervous system calms down further. This then reduces stress and your blood pressure level comes back within the normal range. Practicing this on a daily basis for 10 to 15 minutes will show positive results. We hope you enjoyed this video and it's helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.